God wanted to hear music, he first thought about divinity. So he created the piano. When he got bored, God wanted to step it up and thought about the earth. So he created the guitar. After that, he felt the need for movement and thought about clubbing. And so, God created the saxo club.
DJ Jesús, el inimitable.
Feel the sound of the saxo club.
Y así suena la música con Center Sound Display. Suena sabrosa, con ánimo, puro sabor.
The saxo club.
DJ Jesús, the inimitable.
DJ Jesús. Está presentando al DJ más consentido de todos.
DJ Jesús.
DJ Jesús.
And so, God created